let us see another problem on syndrome decoding. We have already covered one problem before on syndrome decoding. You just check the how we are solving these problems. So if you go through the that procedure, then any problem you can solve. Whether it could be 7 comma 3 or 6 comma 3, we are going to cover 7 comma 4 with two generator matrices, as well as we will cover 7 comma 3 also in next videos. So you check the procedure in all the video or all the problems. We keep the procedure same. So here they have given the consider 7 comma 4 cyclic code with gx they have to get. They have given you gx, and then they will give the received code word. So received code word is this one. Now you have to obtain the syndrome. This is first step of syndrome decoding. So how to obtain the syndrome? You have to make the polynomial from this received code word and divide it by gx. So how to form the polynomial? You know how many bits are there? 7. So the first power you will get is of x raised to 6. So the it is one, wherever 1 is there you take that power. So x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5, 4 don't take, then x cube, then x square, x don't take, so x raised to 0 means 1. So here also 1 is there, so 1. So it is x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus x cube plus x square plus 1. So this you got. So you got the polynomial. So first step is you obtain the polynomial from the received code word. Say it as yx. So this is yx. Then we have to do the division. So syndrome is nothing but yx by gx. So syndrome is also ex by gx, but error they will not give you the error ex term, because that you have to find. So yx by gx. So yx is this one, divided by gx is x cube plus x square plus 1. So that is x cube plus x square plus 1. So you have to for finding the quotient, first quotient, you have to see the first term in yx. So that is x raised to 6. You have to see the first term in the gx. So that is x cube. So x raised to 6 divided by x cube is x cube. So first quotient is x cube. Take this x cube and multiply this x cube with all these terms. So x cube into x cube is x raised to 6. X cube into x raised to, so x square is x raised to 5. X cube into 1 is x cube. Now here, which are the similar terms? x6 are similar, so gets cancelled out. x5 gets cancelled out. X cube is also gets cancelled out. Remaining is x square plus 1. Now you have to see power of this first term. So power of this term is 2 and power of gx first term is 3. So here you can stop. When the power here goes down the power of first term of the gx, then you have to stop here. That is your remainder. So remainder is x square plus 1. Now how to represent this syndrome polynomial in bit form? For that you should know what would be the number of bits in syndrome. So how to calculate that? Syndrome has number of bits 7 minus 4, that is 3. So syndrome is of 3 bits. So 3 bit, that means highest power is square. So you have to represent this in 3 bits. So square, for square it is 1. X is not there, so 0. So 101 is your syndrome. 101 is your syndrome. After that, if they have asked you to find the generator polynomial, then find h, then find ht, then you go with that procedure. If they don't ask you that, then you have to remember this ht, because we have already found also in books they have found h, g and h for x cube plus x square plus 1 and ht also. So if they have not asked, or the question is for very few marks, or it is for 5 or 6 marks, and they have not asked you particularly to find the ht, then you can remember, recall this ht and write down as it is. So here this is ht. So you have to trace the your syndrome here. So your syndrome is 101. So where is that syndrome? Here syndrome is at this position. So you have to see like this. So if you get the syndrome here, then MSB of y is in error. Then 6th bit. MSB means 7th bit from this side, then 6th bit, then 5th bit, then 4th bit. So you have to go from this side. So this is MSB, means 7th bit, 6th bit, 5th bit, then 4th bit. So 4th bit is in error. So this is your Y. So same Y is written here, 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So this bit is in error. Now how to correct it? It's very easy, because in binary there is either 1 or 0. So if it is 1 and is in error, then it could be 0. To corrected would be 0. So make it 0. So here we have made it 0, and that is your corrected code word.